Here's a 1958 International Metro that I did for one of my clients. We turned it into a mobile bar. Let me show you around. For the front bumper, we used a 1947 to 1953 Chevrolet 3100 rear bumper, and it actually, the curves fit just right, and so I was really happy with how it came out. My clients picked out this color. I think it's super sharp. Has a nice look to it. For the rear, we did a custom bumper. We just did real simple black, made nice curved edges to follow it, and then did a nice little non-skid surface. Take a look at the interior here. This is where it's really cool. We did an oak top, and then we did bed lined everything, so even the cabinets are bed lined. And we did Edison bulbs everywhere. And then we did a large service window. And the passenger side door no longer slides, but that allowed us to do a full 9-foot window, which I think makes it a lot nicer looking. And here it is. It's now powered by a Vortec 4.3 liter V6 with a 4L60E transmission. The drivetrain is from a 2002 S10. It has a 122-inch wheelbase, same as the original Metro. And so we just did a full frame swap and used as much of the S10 as we could. Let me show you the interior gauges. I think those are pretty awesome too. Here they are. We did odometer, vintage gauges. Just a couple switches to try to keep it simple.